This is my entry for ScoutCrafter's Patriotic C-Clamp Challenge. I've got American flag stickers and red, white, and blue USA letters on both sides. The clamp is made of red oak, a hardwood native to the United States. And I stained the oak with Minwax Early American to continue the theme. I got the idea for this clamp from Ronald Walter's wood C-clamp video. I wanted to make the clamp look like a vintage C-clamp with the cast wing screw. I decided to join the wood pieces together with biscuits. This method would give me a hidden joint and the ability to round the outside edges. I counterbored holes in the top and bottom for the tie rod. My understanding is that the tie rod absorbs the clamping tension, putting the glued wood joint in compression. I opted for a brass threaded insert with 3/8/16 internal threads. Here's the clamp body assembled and roughly shaped. The threaded insert was very difficult to install in the oak. If I was going to do this again, I would have to come up with an alternative to the brass insert. This is what I came up with for the wing screw and pad. I tapped the oak and drilled a hole through for a brass pin. I ground a notch into the end of the awl thread and drilled an offset hole through the pad. This took a couple of tries to get properly aligned. Here's everything assembled. The offset pin engages the notch in the awl thread so the pad is free to spin, but it is locked on the end of the threaded rod. This was a fun challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.